6 assets that can help you create intergenerational wealth. In this video, we will discuss 6 assets that can help you protect your wealth and create intergenerational wealth. These assets are alternatives to keeping your money in a bank account, which can be eroded by inflation. By diversifying your investments into these assets, you can safeguard your wealth and potentially see it grow over time. God's money, gold, silver, and platinum. Gold, silver, and platinum have been valued for centuries and are often referred to as God's money due to their ability to retain their worth better than paper money. These precious metals are seen as a safe bet during uncertain times, as they tend to hold their value when currencies fluctuate. You can invest in physical gold, silver, or platinum items like bars or coins, or opt for digital versions or funds that track their prices. Industrial commodities, raw materials. Raw materials. Investing in industrial commodities, such as metals like copper or oil, can be a smart move as these raw materials are essential for various industries. When economies grow, the demand for these commodities usually increases, potentially leading to price appreciation. You can invest in futures contracts, funds that group several commodities together, or stocks of companies involved in mining or producing these raw materials. Sovereign guarantee. A sovereign guarantee is a promise made by the government to cover the debt of a business or project if it fails to repay its loans. Investing in projects or businesses with a sovereign guarantee is considered safer, as the government's backing acts as a safety net. Government bonds are a common way to invest with a sovereign guarantee, as they offer low-risk returns. Some countries also offer special investment opportunities with sovereign guarantees to attract foreign investors. Safe haven currencies. Safe haven currencies are currencies that investors turn to during times of economic uncertainty. These currencies, such as the Swiss franc and the Japanese yen, are known for their stability and strength. Investing in safe haven currencies can provide a sense of security, as they are less likely to lose value quickly. You can invest in safe haven currencies through the foreign exchange market. Funds or accounts that focus on these currencies. Land and real estate. Land and real estate have long been considered tangible assets that can store and grow wealth. The limited supply of land combined with increasing demand can drive up property prices over time. Real estate can provide a steady income stream through rental properties and can appreciate in value, offering potential capital gains. You can invest in physical properties or opt for real estate investment trusts, REITs, or crowdfunding platforms that allow you to invest in real estate projects. Value stocks and mutual funds. Value stocks are shares of companies believed to be undervalued compared to their true worth. Investing in value stocks involves researching companies with strong fundamentals but lower stock prices. Mutual funds, on the other hand, pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diverse range of assets. Both value stocks and mutual funds offer opportunities to invest in the stock market without needing extensive expertise. Bonus asset, collectibles. Collectibles such as art, antiques, rare coins, stamps, and sports memorabilia can be both a passion and an investment. These unique items have the potential to appreciate in value over time, especially if they become rarer. Collectibles offer a way to diversify an investment portfolio and provide an intangible value that goes beyond financial gains. Authenticity and history make collectibles appealing in a world of mass-produced items. Conclusion. By diversifying your investments into these 6 assets, you can protect your wealth from inflation and potentially see it grow over time. Whether it's investing in precious metals, industrial commodities, sovereign guaranteed projects, safe haven currencies, land and real estate, or value stocks and mutual funds, each asset class offers unique advantages. Additionally, collectibles provide an alternative investment option that combines passion and potential financial gains. Remember to conduct thorough research and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.